y'all, welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Today we're going to do a catch and cook, and a catch and cook with red snapper. They finally opened up red snapper season for us. We were able to get out there for 6 days, and first 3 days I fished every single day, and I caught one on Saturday, and I caught one nice one on Sunday, and that's the one we'll be cooking today. Well guys, check out this clip of me catching this really nice red snapper.
I hope so. Oh yeah, that's a big one. A big old sow.
Buddy, are you kidding me?
Finally. Holy cow.
Dang, man. God.
Yeah. Finally got it. My goodness. Woo, that's a good one. Yeah, I'll take that one. Oh man. Alright guys, I got my big boy here. Go ahead and meet my incision next to the head. Like that. Just going to run the knife along his backbone, like you've seen me do many times before. Just like that. Run that knife along those bones. Like that. Find your entry point, go through right there, keep pressure down, like that. And now this, I'm going to go over the rib bones, just like that. Just like so. Go. Nice bonus piece of a red snapper right there. There you go. Nice fillet right there, guys. Alright guys, I'm in the kitchen. I got my red snapper fillet right here. 2 big pieces. Set them in this little glass dish, just like that. And then I'm going to add some zesty Italian salad dressing. You can use any brand you like. We use the cheap brand. You use the expensive stuff if you like. Just like that. And then we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. We're also going to add some Italian seasoning. Very simple. Now we're going to put this in the oven at 375 for 25 to 30 minutes. I'm also going to go ahead and add just a little bit of lemon juice. Like that. And if I had a tomato, I'd put a couple slices of tomato and some onion on it. But I don't happen to have that today. Alright guys, my fish is out of the oven. It's done. Oh man, that looks good. test it real quick to make sure it's done. It's all good. I'm going to take a little piece real quick. I'm going to try this out before dinner. And look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? Cool. We got some rice and some corn going to go with it. But I'm going to go give this a taste test real quick.
Well, hey guys, I got my red snapper all done. My baked red snapper. Got my cat coming in here to check everything out. Old Mau Mau. There you go. Look how hot that is. It looks good. What's up, kitty? Man, that is really good. Awesome stuff. Red snapper. Wish we could get them all the time, but apparently they don't exist. Man, that's awesome. Well, I want to take this time real quick, and I want to thank JC with Rad Reeling Fishing for everything he's done to help my channel out. I mean, he has gone the extra mile, has really put in a lot of effort to gain me up to 1,000 subscribers, which I'm at and past. And I want to say thank you very much, JC. I really appreciate it, man. I totally enjoy fishing with you, and hopefully we'll get together and do it again real soon. Maybe more often than not. Well, y'all, I appreciate you guys watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I want to thank each and every one of y'all that subscribed to my channel. Appreciate it, guys. I really do. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell for notifications. And feel free to shoot me a comment anytime, y'all. And while you're at it, go up here and check out JC's channel, y'all. Till I get to see you guys again, tight lines, y'all.